Good morning, my name is Andre Swartboy, and I'd like to welcome everybody from Exporters Eastern Cape, as well as all of those joining us online for our factory tour of the Acoustex Group. Acoustex Group is a Tier 1 supplier of automotive components in the market. We are also Level 2 BEE accredited, and we've been in existence for over 40 years, supplying products into the automotive industry. Acoustex Group is a supplier to all local OEMs in the country. Indirectly, we export to various markets such as Spain, Australia, New Zealand, the United Kingdom, Japan, China, Central and North Africa, as well as the Americas. Currently at Acoustex, we employ 140 people which work in various departments to support current customers as well as future growth. The Acoustex Group has grown in recent years. Originally it was Acoustex Insulation and Acoustex Trim, but now recently we've added companies such as VPS as well as Bluetech. VPS is a supplier of protective covers into the automotive industry, and Bluetech is a supplier of laminates to the medical industry for the use of gowns and drapes. Whilst many companies have suffered under the COVID-19 pandemic, Acoustex Group has shown good growth during this period of time. We've been able to retain most of our people in our workforce. We've also added additional people in critical areas such as quality, production, and maintenance, and all of this because of the doubling of our turnover expected in 2024. This being specifically to the South African market with the introduction of new vehicles such as Ford, Volkswagen, Toyota, and Nissan. We are very proud to be suppliers to all OEMs in South Africa. Volkswagen, we received an A rating as a supplier. Toyota South Africa, we received a runner-up award for quality. Isuzu, Nissan, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Ford South Africa. Now please join me for a tour of Acoustex Group. This side of our business is known as Acoustex Trim. It's a supplier of trim products to the automotive industry, from plastics right up to molded parts. These include parcel shelves, boot packages, trunk side liners, as well as rear seat backs. The area behind us is currently being cleared out for the introduction of a project in 2022. This is for floor carpeting for new customers. We look forward to expanding this project range to our other customers in the future. The line behind us is Acoustex Insulation. It's currently the only supplier of sound bending products in South Africa. These are bitumen based. According to our customers' needs, we develop our formulas in-house and also do in-house testing based on loss factor requirements of our customers. The company we have behind us is known as Vehicle Protection Solutions. It is a CMT company supplying customers such as Lear, Adient, Volkswagen and Ford South Africa. The company originally started in 2018 for supply of vehicle covers to Volkswagen South Africa. Subsequently, however, we purchased another company to form part of it, and this has added further profile to our customer base as well as our product base. Products include vehicle protection covers, seat covers, as well as dust covers, as well as headlamp covers. This now concludes the production portion of our factory tour. I hope you found it interesting. As a Tier 1 Level 2 BEE supplier, we are extremely proud to form part of the automotive supply chain and be a strong role player in the automotive industry. Our strategy for the next year is simply to strengthen our systems and processes to ensure that we are ready for anticipated growth in 2024. At Acoustex Group, we are very proud of our unique selling points. These being the extent and the knowledge of our team, our technical expertise, which allows us to develop products in line with our customer requirements, as well as our values as a company, where we're very family orientated, living our values on a day-to-day basis. We at Acoustex Group would like to thank everybody for joining us on this production tour of our plant. We wish you all the best for 2021 and hope that our paths cross in the future.